Alright, just a little disclaimer before I start. The video title is not wrong. My car is still in the shop. I do not know if it's totaled or not, but right now it's being estimated, and if you haven't seen the last video, it just kind of talks about what happened to my car, and well, this video was pre-recorded before that accident because it just kind of happened all at once. Took a 2-week break. So my screen's just turned off. So let's get to the actual video and cut to Steven 2 days before the accident.
Oh god.
Yeah, started already.
Okay, what are we doing?
So you know, you're here, and I have this. Oh, that's that. I'm blurring that up. And I have this. My garage is a mess. You wanna help me?
It looks the same as from
exactly. So we're gonna clean this up. So garage is basically clean. Don't look that way. The garage is basically clean, but we're doing a thing for the GTI. Let me switch that out real quick. Forgot about the other thing over here. No. Wait, forgot about this thing. No. Hey, the Coach Eric Hung for functional strength training. The strength cafe area. This is the XForce Varix exhaust for the MK7 GTI, and well, this is the first exhaust I bought for any of my cars, and this is also a valve exhaust because, you know, I think I said it in one of my videos, I don't want to annoy my neighbors that much. Also, because I want to be loud if I want to be, but this is already should be louder than my current exhaust. We're just gonna unbox this for this video and see what's inside. Stop those. Very easy, they just have some nice staples to keep it all nice together. First we have, I don't want to drop anything. Should I wear gloves for this? I should wear gloves for this. Alright, this is the L bend, I think. I think this goes from the muffler to the twin tips. Oh, there, see? And here is the serial number and everything. But, what do we have here? Here's the box of tools, check that out later. What is in here? Woo! Ooh, here it is. This is a chunky piece. What was this? Oh, this is the muffler. This is the valve muffler. This is the valve exhaust. This is the very simple valve system, and it connects to a switch in the car. You can either wire to a switch or their remote control system, but I might figure out how to just kind of do a fancier thing in the car, but we'll figure that out later. But look at these welds. Ooh. And then pretty nice welds. I would say it's not bad. Yeah, just a nice simple exhaust. Ooh. And then here's the straight pipe from the resonator, I think, to the muffler. Ooh. Hello. There's a lot more in here. Damn, what's this? This is the resonator. Or the silencer, or whatever you want to call it. Damn, it's hella shiny. Look at this. You can see yourself. You can see you guys in the camera. Look at, you can see the camera reflection. But also, XForce. I guess I'm gonna call it a silencer, but it's a resonator. What's left? Ah, this is what you pay for. But this, too bad there's no quad tips. But oh wait, what? That's so It's so weird. Look. So this isn't the L bend for the exhaust. This is the L bend that sits here, I think. Oh, this is what you pay for. You pay for the logo. Honestly, I don't think this does anything else other than just have a twin tip. Like, this could be a straight pipe to the back, but no one would really care. But I want big, chunky exhaust tips for now, until maybe later when I want to go to twin quad tip. But right, for now, here is the XForce rear pipes. I'm pretty sure to fit it in the box nicely, they had to cut out. They have to have that other L bend right over there attached on. So I'm pretty sure this is the adapter from the catalytic converter to the actual exhaust box. Probably not done that. Pretty nice and simple. Not a bunch of gaskets, a bunch of bolts. In this box right here is the remote system for the valve. Oh, that's not it. This is the exhaust tips. See? Look at these tips. Alright, come over here. You're gonna Try not to trip over anything. Watch your step. Oh my god, so big and chunky. Look how, okay. This is the new exhaust tip. This is the old exhaust tip. The width of this, the diameter of this exhaust tip at the end is as big as the original one. So anything else in here that I missed? I did miss. It's right here. Oh yeah. It has the Barracks. Barracks is the company that makes the mufflers, but XForce is the company that makes the exhaust, which is part of Barracks. I'm assuming that this is the module. Yes, it's the module. It's super jank looking. Honestly, I'm gonna change this out. I'm not gonna use the controllers because I feel like it should just be a switch in the car, not a switch that you need from your remote. So it's all plugged into a cigarette lighter and everything, but I'm gonna change this later on. But for now, we're gonna run it like this because I don't want to mess with my car too much because I still want to daily it. I still want to do a lot of things to it. And anything else in here that I might have missed. So this is editing. This is Steven. This is editing Steven now. I just finished editing the main part of the video. And well, we're just gonna cut to me going to the shop. I left my car at Quality Auto Service. Shout out to Lawrence for looking after all my cars every time something bad happens. Even though he told me to never come here because he doesn't want my cars to be all messed up. But anyways, you can tell me in the comments or whatever if the car's totaled or not. I don't know, but yeah. By the time this video comes out, I should have a good idea, but I'll probably post it in the next video. And the next video again will have the install of the exhaust. Unfortunately, I don't know how to feel, but car is very much in a weird area. For sure the headlight pins are all snapped out and I need a new headlight thing, and I think Lauren said LCA is bent. Everything's kind of shifted back, so I don't really know. Strut looks okay. Actually, the coilover looks totally fine. What the hell? Bolt's fine. Everything looks okay, other than the fact that, yeah, my LCA is for sure bent. If you look right here, it's like, whoop. Damn. Well, I guess that's kind of it for the car, though. Now back to Garage Steven with the outro of the video because I don't want to do another one. I hope you enjoyed. Alright, so this is the XForce exhaust with the Varix muffler. And you get the adapter for the catalytic converter, the silencer, but if you don't want your car to be that quiet, you can use the straight pipe if you really want to. And you also get the Varix muffler in line for the exhaust with the valved portion of it. And then you get the Y pipe and the larger tips. Again, you pay for these. But eventually I will go with quad tip, but we'll see. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This is just an unboxing, so look forward to the next video where I'm going to be installing this on this car. And yeah, so like the video if you liked it. Subscribe for more content like this, and I hope you tune in next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!